By virtue of the power vested in me by Article 155 of the Constitution of India, I, Draupadi Murmu, President of India, hereby appoint Sri Rajendra Vishwanath Arlekar to be the Governor of Kerala with effect from the date he assumes charge of his office. Given at Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi, this 24th day of December in the year 2024, 3rd Pausha, 1946 Saka, in the 75th year of the Republic of India. Signed the President of India.
I, Rajendra Vishwanath Arlekar, do swear in the name of God that I will faithfully execute the office of Governor of Kerala and will, to the best of my ability, preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of India and the law, and that I will devote myself to the service and well-being of the people of Kerala.